Okay, okay. We're going to continue our CSS um, exploration today by styling the nav bar. Now, just to remind you, um, that's what this is the nav bar, what it currently looks like at the moment. So now we're going to make it look interesting with the help of CSS. So let's get started. First of all, what we have to do is add a style attribute. So I'm going to add the style attribute. It's nav bar style. Okay, and now I'm going to come down to here and I just got to define it. So nav bar style, nav bar style attribute. Okay, so then nav bar style. Oops. Style attribute. So let me do it right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the background color I'm going to say from int 0x333, and we're going to make the foreground color int 0x 0x. Now, personally, I don't like using hexadecimals to define colors because, quite frankly, how do you know what 333 is or FFF is? I mean, I suppose if you know how to change a hexadecimal to bits, then you can figure out how many bits for the red, green, what have you. But I don't think it's the best way. But that's one way of doing CSS, and just so you know how to do it, just so you know how to do it here in PureScript. So, okay, and that's our nav bar style. However, we are not just going to style the nav bar itself. We're also going to style. Okay, first of all, we need to style this container. So I'm going to put container style. We defined the container style last time, so just bring it there. And we're also going to style the list that is within the navbar. So we do navbar. We're going to call that navbar UL style. Yep. Okay. So now let's define that. Navbar style. Again, it's an attribute. And again, you know how to start these things by now with all respect. So navbar style equals style prime. Now actually put our style. I'm going to say padding, and basically we're going to set the padding to nothing, to 0. So in CSS you could just do padding and then it would do all the different sides, but there's currently no way to do it in PureScript. I mean, we could define a function that would be very trivial, but we might as well just call, just be explicit. Okay. Alright. And then we're going to do the list style. Now, the list style and what we're going to say is, if I come back up here, okay, these are our list styles. So let's copy that. and let's put it where we can see it. So we can copy it. Okay. So the to say that there's no bullets, we're going to do CSS list style. This thing is in the way. List style type dot none. We're not going to set the position, so we do CSS list style position dot onset, and we don't have an image, so we're going to say CSS list style image dot no. Okay. Now, then I'm just going to remove all this. We don't need this anymore. By the way, this CSS list style stuff is well, if we go up, we'll see it. What is it? I've renamed the package because the module is actually, if I come, okay, yeah, you can see, for example, we got the this is what I used. That's my name, but the full package name is actually CSS. So full module name is css.list.image, and the same way this is the name I used, but this is the full name, CSS list.position. And again, finally, this is what I used, but this is the actual thing. So there you go. Okay. Because you can't have your own name as having dots, which is a bit unfortunate. Now let's just have another look. Oh, same error here. What's the error? CSS list style. What did I call it? CSS. Oh. Oh. So I imported that twice. There's no need for that. I think this actually changes what I write, you know. Okay, let's come down here. What should it have been? It should have been list style type. Okay, so it should be list style type. All right. So look, there's no errors. Excellent. So we can go ahead and generate our JavaScript so we can see what this looks like in the browser. Actually, but before we do that, we've got one more thing to do. In fact, we've got two more things to do. Ooh, I got a bit ahead of myself. Let's bring that down. Yes. Okay, so we've styled the list, the unordered list, but we now need to style the list elements. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, it should be call it li style. Okay, I'll just copy that. Okay, so of course we now need to define it. So now for our style and the attributes, okay, so now for our style equals style attribute do, and all we'll do is display inline. Okay. All right. And the last thing we're going to have to do is we're going to style the link inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bang, and then I'm going to do nav bar a style, and then just another base. Okay, and now you just have to define the nav bar a style. And this style, we will say that foreground color and from int to axis F, text decoration, non-text decoration, font size is 18 pixels, and we're going to do some right padding. Alright, so let's save that. Seem to it should be foreground color. There we go. It's good. So and I'll just check again that I've actually added those attributes. Oh, I know I did that. Okay, good. So we should see a difference. So let's go ahead and pulp verify to app to app.js, and let's see that compile. Okay, we have compiled. So let's take a look. Come to our browser. Okay, we take a look. Let's take a look. Wow, well, you can certainly see the difference here. It's nice. There's our nav bar, all nicely styled. I mean, I'm not sure about the color scheme, but well, I'm using there's a very nice tutorial from Traverse Media, so I'm using his stuff to generate these examples. So I think that's a good place to begin. So, but it's good. It's not bad, not too bad. Okay, so what are we going to do next? Well, the next thing that we need to style, I do believe, will be the showcase. But we'll look at that in the next video. Till then, take care.